Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a checklist on Google Sheets. So here I've already have an errands list and I want to add a checklist in the status columns right here. So what you guys can do is just block the cells that you want to add checklist and then go to the insert menu at the top. Then in here, find the options on checkbox. So here, just click on checkbox option. And just like that, the checklist will be created like this, a checkbox. And here, if you are done with an errand, you can, let's say, just click on this checkbox right here and you are done. So that's how you can make a checklist in Google Sheets. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.